first of all, sir, were you part of the paggawa po ni
Yes.
Sergeant Gutesa?
Yes.
Okay, so inaamin niyo po.
Yes.
Posible ho din kayong imbestigahan ng DOJ.
Welcome. Okay, una kay Judge Season. I respect the ruling of the court. Pero kahit naman sa Supreme Court, very clear na yan. You only notarize to make it a public document. In good faith si Gutesa na nagpunta sa notaryo. Hindi niya kailangan pikiin yung seal. Hindi niya kailangan pikiin yung registry. Because in fact, Pinky, just a side story, nung nag-uusap na yan, sabi ni Senator Marcoleta, Sarge, panotarize mo naman yan. I even in fact opposed it. Sabi ko, Senator, Dante, hindi naman kailangan yan inotarize. Kasi under oath yan sa Senate. Hindi, sabi niya, gusto ko prepared. So, in good faith, nagpunta Sergeant Gutesa. I was not with him. No one was with him. Pero nandyan yan.
So siya
Pero-
talaga nagpunta mag-isa?
Yes.
And
Yes.
exactly where, sir?
Somewhere in Manila, may picture, pinakunan ko eh. I sent it to Senator Marcoleta, yung pinakita niya. Nakalagay pa nga doon 24/7 eh. Akala mo tindahan ng 7-Eleven eh. So, all I'm saying is, mukhang mali ata yung sinasabi na yung iimbestigahan ay yung nagpresenta ng salaysay. Kung sino pa yung nagsalita, siya pa iimbestigahan.